Hi everybody, my name's Charlie. Welcome to another episode. Today we're going to be doing some Super Bowl foods. Quick and easy, real fast, simple. We're going to be doing a bacon wrapped, hickory brown sugar, barbecue sauce shrimp, and then we're going to be doing a little smoky bacon wrapped, and then hickory and brown sugar barbecue sauce. So let's get over here and we'll get to it, and I'll show you how we get it all done. Remember folks, to like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any suggestions of anything you'd like to see cooked, let me know. Leave it in the comments, because I can about cook anything. So folks, these things are so simple to make. Just bacon, and you just wrap your shrimp with the bacon, lay it over in the pan, grab you a little bit more bacon. I was doing a little bit of prep before I started, so just throw it up over there. Get that old shrimp, wrap her up. Really simple. This was actually a suggestion somebody left in the comments and wanted to see me make, so Mr. Hanson, there you go. I'm making it. Just chunking it in there, right and left. So folks, let me know what y'all are going to make for your Super Bowl parties, if you're even going to have one, or if you're going to one, and let me know what y'all are going to make. Next weekend we'll be doing a Hawaiian ribs on the smoker. I'm going to get back out in the yard and get out of the kitchen for the next video. I'm having some coffee today. It's actually starting to warm up a tad here in New Mexico, so I'm glad of that. I'm ready for summertime to get here. Lots of cooking out on the grills in the summer. So folks, who y'all are going to be rooting for to win the Super Bowl? I know where I'm leaning to, so y'all let me know who y'all leaning to win that Super Bowl. I guess we'll be watching it over here at my brother's house. Look at there, folks. I got them all in that one pan there. So let's lay them down there and see if we can take this dude and put it in the sink. I'll wash it here in a minute. I've been very busy today. I've been making all kinds of food, folks. So let's get us a close-up, and that's my bacon wrapped shrimp that's fixing to go in the oven. So let's stick it on in the oven. I've preheated the oven already to 350 degrees. And we'll reach over here and set the timer for 30 minutes. It's so handy to have a knife rack right beside you. Just reach in there and open her up, open her up, open her up. Just snag you one of those little Smokies out of there, folks. Just like that right there. Roll it in that bacon. Set it in that pan. It's not hard. The end of May, about the 25th of May, we'll be on the Texas coast fishing. So we'll be doing some catch, clean, and cooks there. I'm excited about that. We rented a house up there for a week and we're out of here. We're gonna go enjoy some life for a change instead of just working all the time. Got us a guide gonna take us out fishing, and then we got a big old lighted pier on our place, so that we rented up there. So I'll be sitting out there all night long every night. I probably won't sleep for a week. Here we go. Super Bowl food. Bacon wrapped little Smokies. Simple. Simple and easy. Okay folks, I'm gonna get these in the oven and I'll be back shortly to put some sauce on them and show you what we got when we're done. My goodness, does that shrimp smell good. So we're at 21 minutes. We need to remember that. So, be back shortly. Okay folks, we're going to pull these out and we're going to sauce them up and put them back in for about 10 more minutes. So there comes out some bacon wrapped shrimp. And that is smelling better than cable TV. I guarantee you. So we're just gonna run a little bit of sauce on those. Don't take a whole lot. Simple and easy. Anybody can do this. Pretty simple. Well, they're sauced up now, folks. And I am going to stick them back in and let them finish out right quick. So, and we're going to pull the little Smokies out and do them the same way. So there comes our little Smokies, and no, that does not burn me. I'm tougher than a
crazy person.
Most people are. So now we just throw a little sauce on them.
That one's mine. I need a little more sauce than that.
You know what?
That one too.
You're a whiny old thing. There you go. Back in under the broiler for about 10 minutes now. And they'll be finished. So folks, I'll be right back. As soon as they're done, I'll pull them out and we'll plate them up and show you what we got. Okay folks, we're back and our Super Bowl snacks are done. So let me pull them out here. I'm going to set them up here and put them out on the plates. Let me just get hold one of these here spatulas and just set them out here on the plate. And this one here will be your bacon wrapped shrimp. Right here. And man, do they smell good. Bacon wrapped shrimps. Lord of mercy. And there you go. There's our bacon wrapped shrimps. Now let me get the other ones out. Get our bacon wrap little Smokies out. Set them up there. Uh-oh. Little Smokies. All bacon wrapped and looking good. Back there. There we go, folks. All done. There's my bacon wrapped little Smokies and my bacon wrapped shrimp. So I'm going to conclude this video today. Remember, let me know what's cooking in your kitchen. And if you have any suggestions for stuff you want to see cooked, leave it in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for joining me today. Tune in next week for Hawaiian ribs on the smoker.